Hi, my name is Frank Fritz. I'm from the show American Pickers. A lot of you know I'm a big motorcyclist. And you know, it doesn't matter if you're working on your bike, you're restoring your bike, or you're putting it into storage. The best product out there for rust prevention is Dry Coat. It's water-based, it's clean, it's safe, it's easy, it's non-toxic, non-hazardous, non-flammable, biodegradable. I mean, this stuff is used by Fortune 500 companies. It dries quickly, it's non-tacky, you get up to 1 year protection when it's used indoors. I mean, you can spray this stuff on, you can dip it, you can do whatever, and especially after derusting with Metal Rescue. Apply Dry Coat and watch nothing happen.